1, 2, 3, let's go!
Yo, I'm way too tired for this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. Today I'm doing a long-awaited college vlog. We are back with the college vlogs and I'm super excited. This is me from the future because I was in a rush this morning and forgot to film an intro. How freaking rude of me not to say hi to you guys, but I'm doing it now. If you like college vlogs, productive vlogs, and lifestyle videos like that, be sure to stick around because we do a lot of that over here. Also, feel free to comment something down below because it really supports me and helps me grow, and I really just like chatting with you guys. But okay, I will let you guys get back to the vlog. Okay, so I got my face ready off camera because I was just too tired for that. But all I used was concealer, eyeliner, and then lashes. That's pretty much all I ever do. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did get my hair redone. I mentioned that in one of my other videos. I was thinking about it, and I did because I wanted it longer. Yeah, I still have to get dressed, but the only problem is that it's raining, and it's probably going to keep raining, so I don't know what to wear. First, I need some coffee in me because I'm just too tired, and yeah, I just need my coffee. So we're gonna do that. So a lot of my favorite like vloggers have been talking about this, and I found it at Walmart. This is the vanilla kind, and I'm gonna try this today. I just washed the lid first, so it's pretty okay actually. I think I like it, yeah, but it's just not sweet. I usually like sweet, but it has like flavor to it. Okay, so I'm running late per usual, but this is the fit. Gives me like major fall vibes. I hope I don't regret wearing a dress, but like I tried on 3 different outfits and this was just the best one. But you guys, don't be surprised if you see me wear this outfit again because it's actually super cute. Anyways, this jacket is thrifted. And this dress, I think it's from Fashion Nova, and then these are just Nike Air Forces. So that's the fit. Okay, so this is our to-do list for today. I did get a new bullet journal, but I will show you guys in more detail later. But I have wake up at 8 a.m. coffee, breakfast, get ready, film, classes. I have to sign into my online classes as well because they do start today. I need to buy my textbook still because I always wait until like I see if I'm going to drop the class. I have to take pictures for my thumbnail, take my iron pill because your girl got low iron and she needs to take her pills. I want to go to the bookstore, see what they have. I just wrote my little reminders because I don't know where my classes are. So yeah, I wrote that down there. But yeah, that's all I have to do for today. I will go into more detail later about this bullet journal because I'm so happy about it. Okay, so my first class is over and it's hella awkward because people are looking at me filming and talking to my camera, but I go to a community college, so I have like time between classes, so I just have to find something to do. I want to go to the bookstore because I want to see like what they have, and then my sister wants to see what they have as well. And then I have like an hour, and then I go to US history. But yeah, the first class was okay. We just took like notes. I won't go back till like 3 weeks from now, which is a crazy schedule, but that's just how things are going. But okay, I'm gonna go because people are looking. Okay, so it was like a lot of people in the bookstore, so I'm in the library right now. It feels so weird to be back. Let me show you. It's like empty. I'm glad it's empty so I can film. Guys, my sister's on FaceTime with me. They can't hear you because my AirPod, but they get the vibes. Okay, so I wrote down everything that I needed to do for my Spanish class right here, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so my last class is over. I'm gonna go to the bookstore and then we're heading home. I gotta eat something. I want some stickers. Get you a Fitbit, babe. Babe, here goes Kate's face cups. I don't know what I'm looking for, but it's always fun to come look in here, so I always do. Okay, so we're out and I stood in that long ass line for some stickers, but they're so cute. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so we're back home and we got some Chick-fil-A. I have been hearing about their mac and cheese, how good it is, so I got some this time and I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna show you guys what I think about it. And my whole family's here. I have a loud family. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, so I mentioned earlier that I would go into more details about my planner. I am now using a, did I say planner? Bullet journal. I'm now using, it is a happy planner, but I'm using it as a bullet journal. If you're familiar with like happy planners, it's basically like you make it your own. By making it your own, like you take it out and put it back in. And that's what like all of the things, like the cover. I just got a new cover. This is what the package is. But I'm gonna open this and then show you. So it's kind of hard getting it on, but I'll show you guys what I have so far. Okay, so this is like a little pocket to like put things in. I don't have anything in there. This is some sticky notes. This is my first page. Let the adventure begin. Here's to new beginnings. I don't really like it that much, but it's okay. This is my first week of classes, but the whole schedule has changed, so it's, yeah. This is my quarterly goals, and this was my video schedule for August, but I took it out of my old bullet journal and just pasted it in here. These are some swatches of my midliners and then some of the other markers that I have. There's just a to-do list on one of the purple pieces of paper. And this is a spread on the green pieces of paper. I really like it. It's so cute. I had these positive affirmations in my old bullet journal, but I cut it out and pasted it on here. And I don't know, I just think it's so cute. And then I got back into my watercolor painting. Yeah, I don't know. And then here's today. This is just our to-do list for today. And then we can check off all the things that we did. Had breakfast, get ready, film, classes, take pics for the thumbnail, visit bookstore. These are one of the papers that come like this. These are like project papers, assignment to-do list, and I bought some tabs for it. And then here's like all of my dotted paper. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my new bullet journal. My sister really got me into these happy planners. Yeah, that is why I got some stickers today. I'm super excited to use my stickers. I've been getting requests to show how I bullet journal, and let me know if you want that like in a vlog or just a separate video. I will gladly do it because I love bullet journaling so much. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys because it's so cool and I'm so happy and it's so fun for me. As you can see, I'm geeking out over it. But yeah, okay, that's all for the journal talk. We have another package and it's from, which is rare because I never really shop at Sephora. This is literally all I got. It is a face scrubber to help me clean my face because I've been doing pretty bad lately, my skin, but it's cute and pink, so I'm glad I have it. Okay, so now we're gonna do all of our online stuff. Just get it out of the way because I'm super tired. honestly so exhausted and I'm just ready to get unready. So we're gonna do that, starting by taking off these lashes because they're irritating. It feels so good. It feels so good to take them off. But yeah, I still have liner on. But yeah, I'm gonna get in the shower and wash my face and do all that jazz. So I guess I'll bring you guys with me since you're stuck with me for today. Okay, I'm out of the shower and I want to try my new face scrubber with you guys. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, let me put the hair back. Here she is. Okay, I need to wet my face first. Okay, my face is wet. I'm not sure if you can tell. We are using Miss Sarah Lee herself. I think I'm just gonna like squeeze it on her. My problem areas are like my cheeks for some reason right now. Feels good. You guys, it's almost time to do my giveaway when we hit 3K. And I'm just so excited to be able to do a giveaway and just to give away things. Well, it's an Amazon gift card, but yeah, I'm excited because, you know, I appreciate you guys, and sometimes I get wrapped up in like wanting more when I should be appreciating the things that I already have, like you guys. You know, I want to show you guys my appreciation. So okay, I'm gonna wash her off. Move, you guys, because it gets messy. Okay, she is washed off. I call everything a she, but I think that's it for this little bathroom segment. We can go back to our room now. We have signed into our online classes, bought our textbooks, and I will take my iron pill right now because I literally forgot. So we did everything. Okay, I think that's all for our productive college vlog today. I don't even remember what all I filmed. I haven't had a long day like this in a really long time, so I'm tired. But yeah, if you have made it up to this point, comment down below a turtle emoji because save the turtles, and because I just like to see who watched my videos all the way through, and it's kind of like an inside joke. So leave that down below in the comments. I love you guys and I hope you're safe and healthy. Remember to take it easy on yourself. You don't have to be productive 24/7. I'm definitely not. And I'm gonna crawl into bed and eat a snack perhaps and watch Netflix. So I'm gonna chill out. But okay, I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go now because I keep rambling per usual. Okay, bye. Okay, so as you guys may or may not know, I am doing a giveaway once I hit 3K, and we are currently at 2,883. Hopefully soon we'll be at 3K, but I just want to give you guys the rules now. There aren't that many rules, by the way. It's a $100 Amazon gift card. I just want to give back to you guys because I appreciate you guys so much. Being monetized was one of my biggest goals, and I wouldn't have got there if it wasn't for you. So I should spend some money on you guys. So that is what I'm doing. The rules are simple. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and comment down below your Instagram name, because when I determine a winner, I will DM you on Instagram. And you guys, I really wish you all could win because that would just be so nice, but I'm gonna pick at random. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and being so kind to me. I love you guys so much.